Okay, the first question is about a bamboo chamber, and question A is conclude the sign. In my opinion, the left side is positive and the right side is negative. The force of them is towards the center of the circle, and we use the right hand rule to conclude. And the V is equals to the tangent line of the circle. So the magnetic field B is perpendicular to the plane of the photograph, so we conclude the left is positive. And question B, I think right one have the more initial momentum because the circle of them is bigger. And C, why do paths spread inward? I think because the momentum is decreased, also there is also an electric force, electric field towards inside, so it makes the particles go straight forward, and make the spiral inward. And then the question 2 is about the particle inside the QB region, and I think the particle may remain inside the QB region because particle inside the QB region you have a force which caused by the magnetic field. So if the speed of the particle is small and the force is no bigger than the magnetic force, it will remain inside the region. And question 3 is about a charged particle move region with the constant velocity. Question 1 is about question 1 is yes and question 2 is no, because there is energy of the particle move is caused the change of the magnetic field, and it also make electric field. So if there is an electric field, it must have the magnetic field, and if there is a magnetic field, that still can have no electric field. That means if magnetic field exists and electric field may not exist, but if electric field exists and magnetic field must exist. And question 4 is to calculate the charge. To calculate distance. The 4th question is calculate the distance. And first we need to calculate the voltage, and we need to use the electric field to divide by we use the electric field to divide by magnetic field to calculate the velocity, and then we can have the velocity times m, the mass of the particle, and divide by magnetic field and the q. So we can easily calculate the radius between them. And when the q is double, q in here is double, so the r will become the half. It's simple. And question 5 is about a particle moving in circle under the influence uniform magnetic field. It's pretty simple, like question 1. And the magnetic field make it become in the circle, and the electric field make it become move in a straight line, so it's line. So we'll form the path like the question 1, 2. It's a spiral inward. And question 6 is to calculate the radius. So the calculate is same as the question 4. We need to calculate the velocity first. We use the electric field divided by magnetic field to calculate the velocity. Also, we can use the formula r equals to mv divided by bq to calculate the radiance between them. And period is the 2 pi r of the 2 pi over the velocity. Just plug the number in the formula. And question 7. Question 7 is about the magnetic field, to the direction of the magnetic field. So the current is coming the page, and we use the right hand rule to hold the current, and the magnetic field is towards the right side. So D and E there is a serial magnetic field and towards that side. And about C is perpendicular of the current flow, so it do not have any magnetic field flowing. And question A is to calculate the torque. Torque is equals to Ni and delta B. Delta B is equal to AB cosine theta. So we use sine theta here because is 56 below the line. So cosine 56 is also equals to sine 34. 19 minus 56 is equal to 34. So sine 34 is equals to cosine 56. So we can plug in the number and calculate the torque of them. And also, I think north will rise up because actually I don't know why. Because Earth is and is below a line and due towards to north, so the attitude is the same. The coin of the attitude of coin is same as the line pointing due north.